How to crochet lily flower. How to make a magic ring. The yarn over the finger, the hook under the yarn, and make a loop. Now 3 chain. 19 double crochet in the magic ring. Keep going. Now pull the yarn to tie the ring. How to crochet perfect circle. Go to the first double crochet, insert the hook in the back, turn your work, the loop through and turn your work. For the next row, 3 chain, 1 double crochet in the same stitch, next 2 double crochet in each stitch. Again, go to the first double crochet in the back, turn your work, the loop through and turn your work again. Now 5 chain, make a slip stitch, 1 chain and cut the yarn. We need 2. Now yellow color, 12 chain, go to the second chain, 1, 2 and 3 slip stitch. Now keep going, 8 single crochet. Now how to change color. Go to these 2 loops and we need green color, yarn through 2 loops. Now pull the yellow color too tight. Now go the same stitch, make a loop. Now you have 2 loops. Now we want to crochet cord or I-cord. We need 35 chain, first chain. Now second chain and keep going. Act like the video. We need 2 yellow color. We crochet 35 chain. Now last chain, yarn through 2 loops, and make a chain, 1 chain again, and cut the yarns. Cut the yellow color and pull too tight. Now make a knot and fasten off. How to crochet leaf. 19 chain, go to the second chain, 1 single crochet, next half double crochet, next double crochet, double crochet, 4 times, double crochet, double crochet, next half double crochet, next single crochet, 1 chain, skip 2 chain, single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, and 4 double crochet. Next half double crochet, next single crochet, the half of the leaf. Now repeat the pattern on the other side of the leaf. Please subscribe my channel How to Crochet It. Hit like, share, and leave a comment. Please share my videos so my channel gets more visibility and can get monetized faster. Thank you for your support. the edge of the leaf. 1 slip stitch, 1 chain. Slip stitch, 1 chain. Next slip stitch, 1 chain. Next slip stitch, 1 chain. Keep going at the end. Make chain in the middle of the leaf. Now 1 chain, cut the yarn and hide in the back. We need hot glue. Act like this. You can use any color as you desire. Crochet Lily Flower Keychain. Crochet Keychain idea. Happy crocheting and thank you for watching.